What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to do a quick video on tire repair. So conventional wisdom is basically the old plug in the hole. See, I found my hole here. That's leaking pretty damn good. It's leaking so good. That. Anyway, you can see there's a hole there. But I found this here, and I don't know if it's new. It's called a speed plug repair kit. And basically what it says, you just find the hole, remove the screw or whatever's in it, and screw this new piece in, snap it off, and you're good to go. But I'm kind of nervous about that, so I'm going to use it. I actually already screwed it in once and it did pretty much stop it, but I'm going to put some rubber cement on it too, because I don't know, something about just this right here. So let me grab this. I bought this patch kit just for the cement because they didn't sell the cement separately, I guess, or they were out at Menards. So
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! We are going to just take and add some of this onto this, because now well, doesn't really say, I don't think, how far you're supposed to put it in there. Snap speed plug handle. Insert and screw the speed plug into the puncture. Snap the speed plug off at the handle. Inflate and adjust tire pressure. So I guess this might just be for a very quick fix if you're going to take it somewhere, which I'm not, because but there are no bubbles. So that's a good thing. Oh, there is maybe a little bit back in the back. See a little bit. But I'm gonna try it. Guess I'll see if I can snap this off. Probably really fuck it up. still see a little bit. I guess if I put more air in it. Yeah. I'm not sure that's going to work. Maybe I'll do another video doing it the right way in case anybody would like to learn. Anyway, thanks for watching.